everyone. We are 9th graders of this Paschimanchal English School. We have got the opportunity to get our skits recorded.
Hi, I am Umar and these are my class fellows from grade 9 Gandaki.
Hello everyone, I am Pari Soni.
Hello everyone, I'm Avisha Rama.
Namaste, I am Noshini Vire.
Today we are going to perform an act on the topic Superstition versus Study Night, the exam ghost. I am kind of character who always makes fun in every situation and teases others.
In this play, I am complete superstitious and dramatic person.
In this play, I'm playing the character of a person who is always nervous and believes in everything.
And I'm the only one who is acting smart and mature.
Let's begin.
It's Umair living room. It's raining outside. Exam is tomorrow. All sits with books, snacks everywhere. And thundering outside.
Guys, exam is tomorrow. Let's start with history.
I already made history. I finished a whole bag of chips in just 3 minutes.
Wait, before we start everyone, touch wood. If not, bad luck will come.
Where is wood? Where is wood? Can I touch this table? Is this real wood? What if it's fake?
That's fine. It is definitely wood.
Hey, if anyone says bad luck one more time, I'm gonna hit you with a book.
Lights flicker. Everyone freezes.
That's it. I'm out. Goodbye, world.
That's a sign. I knew I shouldn't have opened that umbrella inside today.
You opened an umbrella indoors. Why?
Because I wanted to feel like I was in music video. La 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 la. Wow, that's a talent. Bad luck and bad singing at the same time. Sit down everyone.
Pari opens bag. Small mirror falls and breaks.
Ouch, stomach. The mirror broke. 7 years of bad luck now.
Chill. You already have 15 years of bad luck. It's called school days.
We're finished. Might as well cancel the exam. Cancel the life.
Relax, you guys, break more promises. Then the mirror, if no one dies from a broken promise, then no one should die from a broken mirror too. Why do you always believe in the stuffs?
My grandma said if you eat bananas at night, ghosts follow you.
It is not because of the ghost. Scientifically, it is because eating fruit is not a great option at night.
Like I ate 2 bananas yesterday. No ghosts followed me, only my dog.
That explains your barking like dogs.
Ah.
You guys laugh now, but when a ghost shows up holding a banana, don't come crying to me.
That ghost would be probably healthier than you.
Meanwhile, there is a crash sound from the kitchen. Everyone freezes again.
It's here. The ghost is holding my exam papers.
Nope, it's just a cat. It knocked down the cereal box again and it looks smarter than us.
Probably it had studied more than us too.
That cat never touches mirror. I'm telling you, it knows something.
Yeah, it knows you are weird.
Okay, final rule, no more ghost talks, no more banana warning. Let's just actually study, guys.
Can I keep my lucky pen?
Yes.
Can I wear my lucky socks?
Not if it smells like death.
Can I sit under the table? I feel safe there.
Honestly, fine. Just listen and repeat after me. We will start with the revolt of World War II.
Was not started by a black cat, a banana, or a mirror.
In the end, they all laugh and they throw pillows at him.
Okay, but just to be safe, does anyone have garlic?
The moral of the story is superstitions can be fun, but studying is smarter and way less scary than failing.
Hello everyone, I am Ansika Tripathi of grade 9. These are my fellow classmates.
Hello everyone, my name is Puspa Rana.
Hello everyone, I'm Ashwan Pandey.
Namaste everyone, I am Shubham Chaudhary.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ansika Chaudhary.
Today, we are presenting a play here representing a corporate office, our drama named as Tech Tea and Taboos. I am a girl who pretends to be smart but secretly superstitious.
I am a team leader but very superstitious.
I'm a funny guy, loves jokes and pranks.
I am a new intern confused by everyone.
I'm the boss, serious and logical. Let's begin!
Monday morning, the stage looks like an office. Tables, chairs, laptops. Miss Chaudhary walks in with her bag.
It's my first day as intern. I thought I would be learning computers and teamwork. But I have heard here people believes in weird things.
Everyone move. I have to hang this lemon chili thing outside. Last week, the server crashed because Subham whistled inside the office.
Sorry? What?
Yes, and don't sneeze in the office or the Wi-Fi will stop working again.
I'm serious, Subham. Remember the day you opened an umbrella inside? The projector exploded.
The team gets inside the boss' office.
Come inside everybody.
Good morning, boss.
Good morning. Listen, we have a big client meeting today. Please, no nonsense, just focus.
Wait, Kavya, did you just yawn?
Yes.
Bad luck before meetings. Kavya, get up quickly, spin around your chair 3 times and say Om Sparsit Nama.
Is this normal here? Should I really have to do it?
Yes.
Om Sparsit Namah.
I found this outside. It's really bad luck. Like 3 weeks of problems.
Oh no, I have forgotten my lucky charm today. Should I go home and get it?
Guys, you all work in a tech company, not in a temple. Okay, come on guys. Lunchtime, let's take a break.
The team sits for lunch, but something goes wrong again.
Who kept their bag on the table? That brings poverty.
Me, there was no chair left.
And don't pass the salt directly. Put it on the table first. Or we will fight.
That's enough guys. From now on, if it is not in our office rule or Google Calendar, we will not follow it.
But Google doesn't protect us from the evil eye.
Or lunchtime salt fight.
4. They are back in the office. They pretend to be a silly superstition checkup, like a doctor's visit.
Where is Shubham?
No idea.
Hello everyone, I'm from the Superstition Control Department. Let's check what nonsense you all believe.
I believe my dick should face east for good luck.
I only use green pens on Friday. It's lucky.
I believe I should have joined another company.
I believe I need a vacation. Come on, Shubham, have a seat.
Lights out. Suddenly, the lights flicker and go out. Everyone gasps. After some time, lights come back on. They all raise their coffee mugs like a toast. End of play.
Subham, I told you not to open the umbrella inside again.
Not me, it must be Aishma's fault for making fun of our beliefs.
Or maybe it's just a power cut.
See, just a normal power cut. No ghost, no curse.
Maybe, but still better to be careful.
Beliefs are okay, but we cannot run an office based on fear and silly ideas.
So, fewer chants and more Zoom calls.
But only if the planets agree. Om Spreadsheet Namaha.
Fine, we will find the balance. No whistling indoors.
But also, no lemons and chilies near the routers.
Deal.